Welcome to our comprehensive guide on lip liner, often considered the unsung hero of any makeup bag. This indispensable cosmetic product, also known as a lip pencil, serves several crucial functions beyond just adding color. Fundamentally, lip liner is designed to precisely outline and define the natural contours of your lips, acting as a sophisticated framework for your chosen lip color. Its unique formulation creates a subtle yet firm boundary that is absolutely essential for preventing lipstick and lip gloss from feathering or bleeding into the fine lines around your mouth. This precision ensures a crisp, polished, and professional finish that can dramatically enhance your overall lip look. Whether you're aiming for a subtle enhancement or a bold statement, understanding and utilizing lip liner is a foundational step for achieving truly perfected lips and extended wear throughout your day. The concept of defining lips is far from new, with historical records indicating early forms of lip enhancement dating back to ancient civilizations. For example, ancient Egyptians used natural pigments to emphasize their lips, often outlining them for a more pronounced and regal appearance. However, the lip liner as we know it today truly began to take shape in the early 20th century. It became particularly popular in the mid-20th century, notably in the 1920s with the rise of the Cupid's bow look, and then again in the 1950s with the iconic Hollywood glamour, where precise, bold lips were paramount. Over time, formulas have evolved from basic wax pencils to sophisticated, long-wearing, and even liquid formulations, offering diverse textures like matte, creamy, and waterproof. This evolution highlights its enduring appeal and its transformation from a niche product to a versatile, timeless beauty staple that continually adapts to contemporary makeup trends while retaining its core function. One of lip liner's most celebrated benefits is its remarkable ability to sculpt and enhance your lip shape, providing unparalleled definition. By meticulously tracing the natural lip line or even slightly adjusting it, you can achieve a perfectly symmetrical and polished look. This technique is particularly effective for correcting any natural asymmetry you might have, creating a balanced appearance. Furthermore, lip liner is an invaluable tool for creating the illusion of fuller, more voluminous lips. A subtle overlining, particularly around the Cupid's bow and the center of the bottom lip, can give the impression of a plumper pout without the need for invasive procedures. It essentially acts as an architect for your lips, allowing you to define, refine, and even reshape them to your desired aesthetic, providing a crisp boundary for various lip formulas. Beyond enhancing shape, lip liner performs a vital task in maintaining the integrity of your lip color. It acts as an invisible barrier against feathering and bleeding. Many lipsticks and lip glosses, especially creamier or more emollient formulas, have a tendency to migrate beyond the lip line, seeping into the fine lines and wrinkles around the mouth. This feathering can make your lip look messy and less defined, significantly shortening its wear time. Lip liner, with its often waxier and drier consistency, creates a physical boundary that effectively holds the lip color within the desired area. This protective barrier ensures your lipstick or gloss stays exactly where you apply it, preventing any unwanted migration. The result is a clean, crisp, and beautifully defined lip look that lasts significantly longer, crucial for achieving professional makeup artistry results. The world of lip liners offers a diverse range of products, each with its unique characteristics tailored to different preferences and needs. The most traditional type is the wood-cased pencil, which requires sharpening to maintain a precise tip. These are excellent for detailed work and often come in a vast array of colors. Then we have retractable or automatic pencils, which offer unparalleled convenience as they don't require a sharpener. Simply twist and apply. These are perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. More recently, liquid lip liners have emerged, providing intense color payoff and exceptional longevity, often drying down to a matte or satin finish for a truly smudge-proof wear. Beyond the application mechanism, lip liners also vary in their formulas, ranging from creamy and hydrating to long-wearing matte and even waterproof options. Understanding these types allows you to choose the perfect match for your desired lip look and lifestyle, ensuring optimal definition and enhanced wear. Choosing the right lip liner shade is a crucial step in achieving a flawless lip look. There are several effective strategies for selecting your ideal match. The most common approach is to match your lip liner shade as closely as possible to your lipstick or lip gloss. This creates a seamless transition and ensures your lip color looks uniform and polished. For those seeking versatility or a more natural look, opt for a nude or natural lip liner that closely matches your natural lip tone. These shades work beautifully with a wide range of lip colors and can also be used alone for a subtle, everyday enhancement. Alternatively, if you want to add dimension and make your lips appear fuller, select a lip liner that is just one shade slightly darker than your lipstick. This creates a subtle shadow effect, adding depth. Remember, testing shades on the back of your hand can help you visualize how the color will appear on your lips, ensuring enhanced wear and definition. Mastering the basic application of lip liner is fundamental for achieving a perfectly defined pout. The key is to start with a sharpened pencil and a steady hand. Begin by focusing on your Cupid's bow, the V shape at the center of your upper lip. You can draw a small X or V shape here to establish your peak and center point. From this central point, carefully draw lines outwards, connecting the Cupid's bow to the outer corners of your upper lip. For the bottom lip, start from the center and draw outward towards the corners on both sides. Remember to use light, short, feathery strokes rather than one continuous heavy line. This technique allows for greater control and a more natural, blended finish. The goal is to follow your natural lip line precisely, ensuring a clean boundary that precisely outlines and defines lips for enhanced wear. Once you've mastered the basic outline, you can explore more advanced lip liner techniques to further enhance your pout. One popular method is overlining, carefully drawing slightly outside your natural lip line to create the illusion of fuller lips. It's crucial to be subtle with this, typically only overlining the very center of your Cupid's bow and the fullest part of your bottom lip to avoid an unnatural look. Another advanced technique is filling in your entire lips with the liner before applying lipstick. This creates an excellent base, significantly extending the wear time of your lip color and making it appear more vibrant. Furthermore, you can use multiple shades of lip liner for contouring, using a slightly darker shade on the outer edges and a lighter one towards the center to create dimension and an ombre effect. These techniques truly elevate your lip makeup, ensuring enhanced wear and a professional finish. Integrating lip liner into your daily makeup routine is a simple yet impactful step that can transform your entire lip game. For best results, always apply lip liner to clean, moisturized lips, ensuring a smooth canvas. Remember to sharpen your wood-cased pencils before each use to maintain a fine tip for optimal precision. After outlining and potentially filling in your lips, you can enhance the longevity of your lip liner by lightly dabbing a translucent setting powder over it before applying your lipstick or gloss. This helps to lock it in place, further preventing feathering and ensuring enhanced wear for hours. And finally, don't forget the importance of proper removal at the end of the day. A gentle makeup remover, especially an oil-based one, will effectively dissolve even long-wearing formulas, keeping your lips healthy and ready for your next application. Embrace lip liner as your foundational step for truly perfected and enduring lip looks.